What's up, guys? Welcome back to the VSO Gun Channel. I've got a toasty one coming your way. Nito from AP 2020 Outdoors is out here doing some high-speed work for me, and he had a really good idea. Since we've got a couple different body types out here, we've got me, Bacon back there, and then Nito's the little guy. We're gonna do a recoil test using his high speed. You guys remember back about a month or so ago, I did a video using the Henry all-weather 4570. I was going on a bear hunt to New Brunswick, Canada, and I was shooting the underwood loading of the Lehigh Defense Extreme Defender, so the Extreme Hunter loading, and this is the Plus P variant. I was kind of complaining a little bit about the recoil, if you will. Yeah. Plus P. What we're gonna do is we're gonna shoot it, all three of us, and we're gonna see how it looks on the high speed. How am I doing, Nito?
I got about, go ahead and shoulder it, about 6 inches behind you, which is good.
Yeah, that's good. Loading one. We're just gonna go ahead and tube it. Maybe. Let me try that again. We'll go. I would starve to death if I didn't have my right hand, right? And we've got optics, maybe. Yep, there we go. Are you ready?
Ready.
And I was holding it tight.
Nice.
We'll see. Who's up next?
Bacon.
Is that he's gonna be a lower center of gravity. I don't know if that's fair.
Right. Okay, Bacon, I'm ready, brother.
Curtis, you ready?
Yep. Gosh, she doesn't frickin'
That's nothing. It looks like a freaking 22.
All right, do Nito a favor and move the case for him.
Where's the ammo at?
One right here in my pocket. Be a good lad and move the man.
My high stool.
Get him a box.
That's unfair. You're putting him on shaky ground.
Yeah, no doubt.
No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me, I'm losing every battle.